Alright, alright, so what's going on, y'all? It's Josh. It is March 11th, and this is the trade recap of the day. So, market opens. We had CPI today. So, news candle, draws up here. We had a void on NQ right here. Draws. We have a bullish SMT down here with previous day low. So let's get into it. So market opens, we displace up, put an SMT with CPI wick. So I want to see if that is going to deliver or not. So we get a bearish candle, bullish candle, and then just like chop. I don't really want to trade this shit. That's why it's important to wait for candle closures. Because like if you long this bitch right here, that shit, it looked good in the moment, but candle closure, that shit does not look good at all. So candle closure is important. We come up, we fill the void with still having an SMT. We get 3 displacement candles down, and then we put in an SMT with 9:30 open. So 9:30 is really the only time that I'll use a 1-minute candle for an SMT, just because 9:30, that's a prominent market open low. So we put an SMT there. I want to see if it's going to deliver or not. This bullish candle opened up fast and displaced up. So like I looked at that as it is like making buyers have FOMO into the market. They see SMT get put in, they see a crazy displacement bullish candle up, and they long it. So I want to see what the next candle does. If the next candle opens up and displaces, the SMT is probably going to respect, and we're going to want to come and take Asia highs. So next candle opens up, full just dicks the buyers down, fully engulfs this green candle. So that means that the SMT is not holding, and we want draws lower, LR. We have equal lows over here on NQ, and then hella relative equal lows over here. So I had a short bias. Like SMT is delivering. We should have been rebalancing right here. We aren't rebalancing right here. That means that we still want lower. Remember, first 30, this isn't really efficient price action, but if price action is moving efficiently, SMT should be holding. And this looks like efficient price action. 3 displacement candles, a nice rebalance candle. It's not chop. This is good price action, these last 5 candles. So you slap along or shorts here at that candle closure, stop above the rebalance candle. We shouldn't have to rebalance this range more than once if we're really bearish and price is moving efficiently. And you just TP at 30 points, or you could TP just when ES really swept the low or started taking this LRLR. Because sure, your draw may be down here at these equal lows, but you don't really know when the equal lows are going to get taken. Like, sure, this could have flushed right there and you catch your whole 180 points or whatever, or it could do what it did here and come up, still take draws higher, and then go. Like, you don't really know, so if you just take your low-hanging fruit piece of the pie and just be happy with your little 30 points, then you're chilling. And you're chilling. Just take your small piece and you're good to go. That was the trade of the day, in my opinion. We come down here. We have SMT with this little low right here. It's kind of equal lows, which is kind of gay. 2 fat bearish candles up. We get a rebalance candle into this range. We shouldn't have to really rebalance it again. We rebalance it again. And then you can count this as a... So after this candle, you want to see how the next candle opens up. If we come up, rebalance, and then short, we're probably going to keep going lower. This next candle opens up. You can count this as a rebalance candle. This next candle shouldn't, if we're short, it shouldn't be this bullish candle. This candle even opened up bearish, started inviting buyers in, and then closed bullish as fuck. We rebalanced this candle already. We shouldn't have to be rebalancing this range again. So you slap the long on. stop below the rebalance down here, and then TP at this internal, which is kind of low RR, so you could just go for 30 for real. Because we could manipulate this high, put an SMT or something, and then go lower, but candle just full displaced. And that could be your other trade of the day. Yeah, so that's the recap for March 11th.